Welcome to my channel. Did you know that many websites and apps stay connected to your Gmail account after you sign in with Google? In this video, I'll show you how to see all the websites you've signed into using your Gmail and how to remove access if you don't use them anymore. Let's get started. First, open the Google app on your phone. Now tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then tap on Google Account. From the top menu, tap on Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the section called Third-Party Apps and Services. Here, you'll see all the websites and apps you signed into using your Google account. To remove access from any website, tap on the website name. Scroll down and tap on Delete All Connections, then confirm by tapping Confirm. That's it. It's a good idea to review this list every now and then to keep your Google account secure. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.